Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastasia. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok and Instagram if you haven't as well. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys more home must-haves, but as I did last time, I am styling them for you guys in today's video. If you guys like this style of video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you like this style of videos, and I will definitely continue doing them. As always, the links to everything that I share in today's video will be in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, so this first space is very versatile. You could use this in a dining room, you could use it in a living room, or you can use it as an entryway. You could even, if you wanted to, use this in a bedroom and kind of swap out the cabinets for a dresser. So very versatile here, and I really love the way that this space turned out. I am like, where can I put this in my own home? That's how much I love it. So I wanted to share with you guys the pieces that made this little area possible. Starting off with the mirror. So I have like a favorite mirror. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's just got the one little loop at the top. I own it personally myself, and I was gonna style this little area with that one, but then I was like, let me just look on Amazon and see if I can find something else. And then I found this one with this beautiful like scalloped detailing on it. I feel like this is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I am probably just gonna order one of these for myself. I know I can find somewhere to put it. That is how much I love this mirror. And then in terms of the cabinets, they are Nathan James. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I love Nathan James. I've actually worked with them before. I feel like they have really good, affordable furniture pieces. So if you don't mind a little bit of assembly, then these are like really great options for you because you will definitely save money. And I feel like they are pretty decent quality, and I feel like for the price point, you like can't beat it. So again, with these, there were some that I had on my wish list for a while. They were like the little arch ones. I'm sure you guys have seen them. Those ended up selling out for a while, and so I went on and to see what else they had, and these were actually a really great option too. So this is actually just two cabinets pushed together. Now, if you have a smaller entryway, all you have to do is buy one of these and you can kind of achieve the same look. Here, I just went ahead and styled it on top with these little Van Gogh books. Now, I love these because these aren't books, they're actually book boxes. So if you guys wanna keep like your console very minimalistic looking, these are little storage boxes that look like books. And I think that they are super cool, also very affordable and a lot cheaper than buying individual coffee table books, which on average are about like 20 bucks to 50 bucks each. You can get this set currently, right now it's on sale for under $20. So definitely snag that if you're on the market while it's on sale. And then the little ruffled bowl that is on top is a very nice decorative piece. Again, perfect if you're using this in an entryway. I would use this to like set keys. It's a perfect place so you don't lose your keys, but it still looks really nice to have it on the tabletop there. And I love the brand that this is by. You guys know when it comes to home decor, I really love Bloomingville and Creative Co-op. So this is from Bloomingville. Love their stuff. I will be sharing more from them, obviously, as always, because I just love them so much. And then on the other side, you can use one of the glass jug vases and some like faux eucalyptus. I shared it with you guys in my last video, a more affordable option to get this kind of look going on for less, and I will link it again because I feel like this looks great on this entryway little area as well. Or again, you can style it in so many different ways. I feel like that kind of just like goes together so well. And then lastly, I saw this little lamp. This has been going viral like everywhere because obviously it definitely will remind you of a much more expensive option that you may have seen from Crate & Barrel. So looks very similar if you're looking to get that, again, Crate & Barrel look for less. This lamp is a really great option, but just gonna remind you guys of what this little area looks like. I am absolutely obsessed with it, and if any of you guys decide to recreate it, please let me know because I think it looks absolutely perfect. And then the next space that I designed is just this little dining area, very minimalistic and simple, but I still wanted to share it because I feel like this is a really great option. Now, the dining table itself is from Safavieh. I talk about them all the time, another brand that I've worked with before. They have such great furniture at such great prices. So if you're in the market for a dining table, I would highly recommend checking out one like this, just because again, you're getting that high quality look, but you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on it. So I feel like this table is also very versatile. I personally paired it with these chairs on casters, very similar to the dining chairs that I have, but they have arms on them. Now I'm thinking about getting these exact dining chairs for the little dining nook that's in my eat-in kitchen. I love the fact that they have the little arms on them and the pillow. I feel like that just adds to the detail, and I love the fact that they're on casters. These casters are amazing. At first I thought these chairs with casters wouldn't work well on rugs, but they still work amazing, and they feel a little bit safer when they are on a rug. I will be completely honest with that. So again, if you're in the market for like a neutral dining chair, neutral dining table, these are great. Then for the lighting, I chose this glass chandelier. I've seen this several different places, and again, this is kind of like the Pottery Barn one. So if you're looking to get that Pottery Barn look for less. In fact, everything in this little dining area that I designed really screams getting that Pottery Barn look for less. So definitely check out these pieces if you're in the market. And then on top of the dining table, I like to keep it very simple. So I just put this like small vase with the blue tint to it because I felt like the space needed like a small pop of color, not too much. I feel like the vase goes really well with the chandelier option. So I loved those two together. And then moving on to my favorite part, just this faux black olive tree. Now, again, Pottery Barn has a faux black olive tree and it's super expensive. It's like $500, I believe, around that price point. And so I just typed in faux black olive tree on Amazon and this one came up and it is under $100. So I feel like that is a really great deal. It has amazing reviews. Probably gonna snag that for myself because I've been itching to get like a faux black olive tree. I know for a fact there's no way I could keep a real black olive tree alive, so we're gonna go with the faux option here. And then there were so many different options for the planter. I kept going back and forth, but I opted for this dark planter. Again, I didn't feel like we needed a pop of color with the planter, but I did feel like we needed to bring something in that was a little bit darker to kind of balance out the space. So we went with this like dark brown little planter, and I feel like those pair so well together. I feel like this whole space really turned out really nicely. And again, I'll just remind you of what the put together space looks like here. All right, guys, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoy this style video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.